Hello guys, I'm going to share with you how to make delicious chicken each time. If you feel like those spices were too much, you can only use these three. And don't forget the Dijon mustard. If you are going to miss anything, please don't miss the Dijon mustard. I will advise you to stab your chicken to allow all the flavors to go inside the chicken. And in this recipe, you don't need to add any salts because if you use garlic salt, it has salt in it. And I will also recommend you to let the chicken marinate in that deliciousness for about 2 hours or more if you can. My chicken marinated for about 4 hours and I decided to fry them with my air fryer, but you can bake the chicken or you can do whatever you want with your chicken, of course. And when you use your air fryer, please don't forget to flip your chicken over or your meats to allow even cooking. And voila, you have the perfect chicken. Please try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.